In continuation to the previous lecture of green solvent, today we will start 1,3-propane diol. Addressing Principle 7. Principle 7 is use of renewable feedstocks. Is a green route to 1,3-propane diol, which is traditionally generated from petrochemical precursors. It can be produced from renewable precursors via the bioseparation of 1,3-propane diol using a genetically modified strain of E. coli. This diol is used to make new polyester for the manufacture of carpets. Lactite. This is the structure of lactite. In 2002, Cargill Dow, now Nature's Works, won the Greener Reaction Conditions Award for their improved method for polymerization of polylactic acid. Unfortunately, lactite-based polymers do not perform well and the project was discontinued by Dow soon after the award. Lactic acid is produced by fermenting corn and converted to lactide, the cyclic dimer ester of lactic acid, using an efficient tin catalyzed cyclization. The L-lactide enantiomer is isolated by distillation and polymerized in the melt to make a crystallizable polymer, which has some applications including textiles, cutlery, and food packaging. Walmart has announced that it is using PLA for its produce packaging. PLA is polylactic acid or polylactide. It is a thermoplastic aliphatic polyester. The NatureWorks PLA process substitute renewable material for petroleum feedstocks doesn't require the use of hazardous organic solvents typical in other PLA processes and result in a high quality polymer that is recyclable and compostable. Now, carpet tile backings. In 2003, Shaw Industries selected a combination of polyolefin resins as the base polymer of choice for EcoWorks due to the low toxicity of its feedstocks, superior adhesion properties, dimensional stability, and its ability to be recycled. The EcoWorks compound also had to be designed to be compatible with nylon carpet fiber. Although EcoWorks may be recovered from any fiber type, nylon 6 provides a significant advantage. Polyolefins are compatible with known nylon 6 depolymerization method. PVC means polyvinyl chloride. It is a solid plastic used to make pipe. PVC interferes with those processes. Nylon 6 chemistry is well known and not addressed in first generation production. From its inception, EcoWorks met all the design criteria necessary to satisfy the needs of the marketplace from a performance, health, and environmental standpoint. Research indicated that separation of the fiber and backing through illustration, grinding, and air separation proved to be the best way to recover the face and backing components, but an infrastructure for returning post-consumer EcoWorks to the illustration process was necessary. Research also indicated that post-consumer carpet tile had a positive economic value at the end of its useful life. EcoWorks is recognized by MBDC as a certified cradle-to-cradle design. Transesterification of fats. In 2005, Archer Daniel Midland and Novozymes won the Greener Synthetic Pathways Award for their enzyme transesterification process. In response to the US Food and Drug Administration mandated labeling of trans fats on nutritional information, by January 1, 2006, Novozymes and ADM worked together to develop a clean enzymatic process for the trans-esterification of oil and fats by interchanging saturated and unsaturated fatty acids. The result is commercially viable products without trans fats. In addition to the human health benefits of eliminating trans fats, the process has reduced the use of toxic chemicals and water, prevents vast amounts of byproducts, and reduces the amount of fats and oil wasted. Biosuccinic acid. In 2011, the outstanding green chemistry accomplishment by a small business award went to BioAmber Inc. for integrated production and downstream applications of bio-based succinic acid. Succinic acid is a platform chemical that is important starting material in the formulation of everyday products. Traditionally, succinic acid is produced from petroleum-based feedstocks. BioAmber has developed a process and technology that produce succinic acid from the fermentation of renewable feedstocks at a lower cost and lower energy expenditure than the petroleum equivalent, while sequestering carbon dioxide rather than emitting it.